Running for me is all about having fun, to feel light and fast. For that, you need something that can help you to get that energetic feeling. The Dynablast running shoe might be your answer. Hi, my name is Diego. I'm a functional training coach and Asics frontrunner. I like all-round shoes that I can use both for my interval sessions and when I run and talk with friends. But I also want to wear them when I'm coaching my clients, so the new Dynablast running shoe is a perfect option for me. Novablast was the first running shoe in this family that offered this new extremely bouncy midsole material called the Flightfoam Blast technology. I really loved that propelling forward sensation with the Novablast, and you can get a similar effect with the Dynablast shoe. It is a little less bouncier but a bit more responsive instead. The sole is trampoline shaped and that propels you forward. Personally, I really have fun running in these because it has a very energetic feeling. I need shoes that both feel and look good at the same time. It's a pure joy to put them on. The upper knit design is really lightweight, soft and makes the shoe breathable as well. If you want to run lighter, bouncier and faster and have fun with a good looking all-round shoe, then you should try the new Dynablast.